Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check if your iPhone is new or refurbished. So to do this, you just need to go to settings, and after settings, you go to general, and after general, go to about. And as you can see, you have your model name, and after model name, you have the model number. And the model number, if it's a new phone, it will start with M. If it's refurbished phone, it will start with F. If it's a replacement unit, it will start with N. And if it's personalized unit, it will start with P. So you just need to check your model number, and if your phone is new, it will start with M. So check always and try to check your phone before buying it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.